For a long time.
See the cows. We got scared. Any more stuff. Yeah. We're at a bar, girl. It's like a starter. Wow. We're about to go on our Old Town walking tour. I need to get a waterproof jacket. It's raining.
There was a joke shop for a long time.
We got ice cream. So good, salted caramel. We're at a bar crawl, but we don't really know how it works, and we had to pay for it. There's our shot.
I'm gonna keep the bottle as a souvenir.
Yeah. Are you gonna drink it right now?
Oh, go order, guys.
Hello, good morning, you guys. It's a Saturday. I'm in the hotel. Yesterday, after dinner, we went out to a bar crawl, and I did not get back until like 1:40, which is actually not too bad. Also, my hair looks so crazy because I just washed it and blow dried it. Currently 10:43. I already got up and like ate breakfast and washed my hair, so I've been up for a while. This hotel is actually so nice. The breakfast is really good too. Let me show you guys our room. I should have probably done this yesterday. It's so nice. We have a mirror here, and then our bathroom. It's a shirt I'm gonna wear. So it looks like, and it's got these lights, and then our shower. We have one small bed and one big bed. This could realistically fit 3 people, but it's just us two, me and Kathy, and she gave me the big bed, which I'm so happy about. There's also a TV that we have not used. Waters. Disregard all of my stuff everywhere. It's honestly just a mess, but there's like this coffee machine, and then we have a kettle. These crackers, spoon, milk, sugar, tea, literally everything you need. And then our closet, which we're not using because we're only here until tomorrow morning. Our closet with the hair dryer, and then window area, which is so nice, except our view is nothing. Our view is construction. I'm gonna get ready super fast, and then I'm gonna go walk around and maybe see if there are any like cute souvenirs, and then we're going to go see the cows today. After that, the school has the dinner at 8 o'clock today, so hopefully that's good. Okay, gotta go now. Just better run that in 9 minutes. But I also realized that I have no makeup remover, so now I need to go get that. Going up Link Street.
So we're up Link Street.
Yeah.
Shout out Gina's coffee. We just
Yes.
tagged her. Go follow her.
She's gonna be an influencer.
So good here. And I just made a handbag.
Yeah.
Custom.
So cute.
And
Now I
Nicholas
wanna
did
do
nothing.
Oh.
But we got kind of lit last night. So.
Yeah, it's okay. We're gonna go see cows soon, so.
I'm doing that tomorrow. What happened?
You're not going today?
No, we're doing gym.
Going to see the cows. So cute. Hello.
Hi.
Hello. Hi. Yes.
We'll see you guys.
Are we taking a picture?
No, it's a video. Updating my vlog because we gave up halfway.
Yeah. But we see the cows. The cows are
Yeah, the cows are right here. But it got really steep and it was raining. Look at my hair. And we got scared, so we decided to come back down halfway. No regrets.
And then recently, you might have seen it, but like we like stacked cakes, and we just all she wanted us to do about that, just line that up. And if you have a bit of yes, the little smaller one. Yeah. Can I ask you a question? Yes. Not necessarily uneven.
Like seeing everyone that we know from This is like really fun, but really stressful at the same time. I'm back in the hotel, but I'm leaving again to go to Boots because I need to get like the travel squeezy bottles to put my toner in because we're taking a flight back tomorrow. And I don't want them to throw out my whole bottle even though there's like this much left. Time to go on a little side quest. Good morning vlog. Oh, morning. It's blurry. We're on an early morning walk.
Yes, it's starting to sprinkle.
Yeah. It's only like 7:30, but it's not that early. But it's our last day in Edinburgh.
Yeah.
Which is so sad. And then we were both just talking about how we have to go back and
Lock in. It's probably not gonna happen.
We will figure out a way. It's so pretty out. No one's out right now. And it's very quiet. Does not pick it up. Swear to God, rained on every day. This reminds me of the TikTok sound that's like, you know what I'm talking about? We're all hand
It's raining worse now.
Yeah, we got our coffee though.
Yeah.
And no umbrella. Should have thought of that before we left.
Definitely.
Going on a boat. Boat tour. Should we go on that side? We're on a boat. Boat tour. We're sitting in the very front.